What's up, yo? My name is Morcho and today I'm here to demonstrate how to use, hang on, I'm going to demonstrate how to use this arcade stick, which I got today, with the Wii U. Of course, there is an alternative to this. So, I bought this arcade stick just because I thought I would try it with my PlayStation, and I kind of thought, how could I do it with a Wii U? But unfortunately, my plan might have messed up a little bit there. I was thinking about getting a PlayStation 2 to Wii U, PlayStation 2 to Wiimote adapter, but unfortunately, since that failed, and it's kind of too late for that, I figured out a way to use the arcade joystick with Wii U through Homebrew, which is pretty simple actually. Otherwise than that, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so you're gonna need something called the Okay, never mind. You don't need something on your computer. What you really need is something on your console. Let me put a delay on my webcam. Okay, so now that I got that set up, what you're going to need to do is that you're going to need to go into, like, HaxChi or the internet browser. Anyways, I'm going to go into HaxChi right now. Alright, shouldn't take too long to load. Oh, that's not good, it crashed. Something might be wrong there. I don't know what happened or anything. Let me try rebooting the console. Okay, so I just rebooted the console, and now that I got that set up, let's try HaxChi again. Alright, and as you can see, HaxChi looted up successfully. Now, on the screen right now, you should see HID to VPad. And the reason I have Mocha CFW and HID test on here is because, well, I wanted to try and see if I could get the custom profile on my arcade stick to work with the Wii U, but instead, I made another profile that works with PS3 controllers, which this kind of emulates if you plug it into a Wii U. Otherwise than that, let's go ahead and put in HID VPad. And apparently what you're going to need to do now is that if HID to VPad loads, you're going to have to plug in your arcade stick in the front of your Wii U at, the Wii U at USB ports. Anyways, we're going to set up the first Pro controller as the... And there you go. See, look. It sort of works. Hang on, let me try again. Now, we're gonna set it up. 3, 2, 1. Hey, it works! And, that's done with. Now I can press Start to apply the patches. And, it shouldn't take too long. I've already tested this with some games, but I thought I'd show you how to do it your way. Now, just to be sure, this may or may not work with Super Smash Bros. For Wii U, but if it does, let me know in the comments below. And, it works kind of perfectly. Now, I'm going to pick a game. I'm going to pick Mario 3D. And as you can see, it's loading up pretty perfectly. Alright, so Super Mario 3D has just booted up. Now let me just press button 3, which is the A button, if you're using it. Anyways, I'm going to go into my file, and let me pick a character. I'll go with Mario. Alright, so as you can see, I'm in like World 4 of Super Mario 3D Land. Or I'm sorry, World. I meant to say World. And I'm going into the castle in the game. Alright, so I think it's working perfectly. Just gonna pause here and get back to the video. Alright guys, so that is how you play a Wii U with an arcade stick, which is through Homebrew. If you want, you can just not do this tutorial. But if you And if you decide to get a PlayStation 2 to Wii adapter, or go ahead, I don't mind. Otherwise than that, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, comment, and yeah, that's all there is to it. Laters!